Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable Incognito mode in the foremost follower browsers on your Oppo A77. So, the first one, Opera. In this web browser we have to click on the tab icon, switch to the private and click on the plus. That's it. The next one, Firefox. If you have this welcoming screen, just click here on the zero mask, but if you have any tab open, click on the tab icon, switch to the zero mask and tab on the plus private. And the next one, Microsoft Edge. Like before, click on the tab icon, switch to the in private and click on the little plus. And the last one, the most popular, Google Chrome. Click on the three dot icon, switch to the new Incognito tab, and that's it. In this mode, your history, completed forms, cookies files, even the learned words from the keyboard will be not saved. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.